Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the diamond researcher to start your diamond rod mission or quest in the Fish It game on Roblox new diamond rod update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The diamond rod update has been dropped in Fish It, and here you will be able to get this secret diamond rod. And to get this rod, guys, you need to find the diamond researcher and start your diamond rod mission. And I'm going to show you guys how you can start the mission or the quest. So you can go to this room, the mutation cellar room. You can teleport using this portal. And then here you will find the diamond researcher. Okay, just visit this diamond researcher and talk to him. And I'm going to click on diamond researcher quest. Okay, just like this. Wait, let me click on that. And then we will find the quest right here. Diamond researcher quest, guys. And wow, there are a lot of missions that we need to complete to get the diamond rod um item. Okay. One of them is catching secret fish at the coral reefs on an element rod. Oh my god, it feels so difficult for me, guys, because I haven't completed the deep sea quest yet. Okay, and okay, that's how you can find the diamond researcher to start the diamond rod quest or mission. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.